Welcome to Bolt Tech. So guys, if you want to unlock the 120 FPS, then you have come to a right video. You have to simply do some config and you will enable your 120 FPS on your device, but it will only work on your high devices, not on every device. So you have to come on your Play Store, which is available in your phone. After that, you have to search HEX Editor app on your Play Store. When you will search it, then one app will show on the top. You have to install that. So you have to simply install and open and give all the permission which is required to that app. So we have to open file. First of all, click on open file, then you have to click on external. After that, you have to search for Android, and that's Android. I have clicked the Android, and after that you have to click on data. After data, you have to search com Tencent IG. It's a PUBG file, so you have to search it. When you scroll down, I will get it. So com Tencent IG, I have got it, so I have opened it, and then you have to go to file and then U for E games. After that, Shadow Tracker Extra, and again Shadow Tracker Extra, and after that you have to go on saved, and then you have to search for save games. So I have come in the save games. After that, you have to scroll down and search for active SAV, SAV, and then we have to search it and then open it, and after that you have to search FPS level in this active SAV. So I am telling you once again that your device display is 90 Hz or 120 Hz or more, then only it will work on your device, otherwise it will not work on your device. So you have to simply search for FPS level. It took some time to search it, so I am searching for it. When I will get, I will show you. That blue mark will show that FPS level is searched on my device. So I'm searching here. I think I have come down, so I have to go some upside, and then I have come to up. I have to scroll down. Wait, I will search here. So guys, I have searched for FPS level. If you can see that blue mark, wait, I am making one box on there. You will see it FPS level. It is written FPS level. I will make a box. Wait a second. I am just making. You can see the blue mark on that. That is FPS level written. Yeah, that red box. Inside the red box, you can see that FPS level. And you have to come fourth line. You have to come down fourth line of FPS level. You can see my blue mark. You have to click on that and you have to edit it with the value 06. It is the value of 120 fps. It is the main value. It means 120 fps value is 0.06. So you have to put that and you have to simply save it, and after saving you have to on your PUBG mobile. So I am owning my PUBG mobile. As you can see, I am owning my PUBG mobile. So it takes little time because it activates 120 fps, but fps meter does not show that it is working on 120 fps, but it is working on 120 fps only. Wait, I will show one gameplay of 120 fps. Our device become very smooth, very smooth after this file. After this config, you will see. I will show you one gameplay. Wait a second, my PUBG mobile is starting. So it finally start, and I will show you one gameplay I have recorded and kept and I will kept as a clip. So I will show you how it plays. Wait, this screen is too small. I will do it better. Wait a second. I have taken a clip, so I will show you the 120 fps clip. You can see the smoothness. It's very smooth. So guys, I'm telling once again that it will not work on each and every device. It will work only on limited devices such as OnePlus and other gaming phones. So guys, if you want to try, then you can try whether your device is working or not. I don't know, but you have to try that your device is supporting 120 fps or not. So guys, you can see the gameplay of 120 fps. It is very smooth. I've clutched one squad here. You can see the reflexes and the device power of 120 fps.